Hi guys, and welcome to our YouTube channel Quick Guide, and today I'm here with another new video to show you guys on how you can send videos from your Dropbox directly into someone's email. All you have to do is, first of all, log into your Dropbox account, and after logging into your account, just scroll down until you see the video option that you want to share via email to someone. Hover your mouse over the video and click on this copy link option. After you click on this link option, you can see that a link has been displayed on your screen. Simply click on Ctrl+C to copy the link on your clipboard. After you have copied the link on your clipboard, simply go into your inbox, and after you are going on to the inbox, all you have to do is click on this compose option, and after clicking on it, you'll be able to see that this kind of screen will appear. From here, simply click on the subject option and then just paste the link there. After that, go on to the recipients option, and now just input the email that you want to share it with. After you have done so, simply click on send, and you'll be able to send a video via email to someone that you want through your Dropbox. And that is how you can send a video via email to anyone, whether it be your friends or family, via your Dropbox. This was this video, and I hope you guys find our video helpful. If you do, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and hit the bell notification, and don't forget to drop a comment for review and for more content like this. See you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.